going on?
You know how dangerous this is. And I don't want you getting hurt again.
I'm not sitting on the sidelines anymore, Emily. What you were doing, it's not just about justice for your father.
What's going on?
It's also for Declan. And
Stop
Amanda.
biting the carpet.
I got you information yesterday, which means I'm now involved. And so is my mother. So you can either make this a fight, or you can get good with
Is
it.
that your
now.
box? She got your box? Yeah?
On those drives.
She got your box? Stormy. I see.
Conrad, per your request.
Oh,
I handled
kiss,
getting
kiss.
your DC plan is safe. I assume DC's your dad, but what's TWM?
I don't know, but I'm gonna figure out how.
How? And honestly, she never knew who wrote the letter.
I think I do.
What's going on? Stormy, you going for your box? You biting the carpet. You're a monkey. Wait. Pick up. Bite the carpet. Stormy's being a good girl. Got your box, Storm? Bye-bye, darling. See you later. What's going on, Jess? Bye-bye, Oscar. See you later. Where's the ball gone? Oh, what are you doing under there? You come out from under my chair. Is that my toes? You got my toes? You got my toes? You want to tickle? Yeah. Tickle, tickle toes. Tickle, tickle. Tickle. Do you want to tickle on your head? You dancing? You want to tickle my toes? Oh! 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 You got it. Where's that Chester? What's Bubbles doing up there? I see you, Bubs. Hello, Husky Bosk. Hello, Husky Bosk. She's a good boy. So you want to tickle, tickle? Tickle, 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 tickle. He's a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy? Yes, you're a pretty boy. Pretty boy, yes. Pretty, pretty boy. You're a pretty boy. Aren't you? You're a good little fellow. And there's Bubbles. She's a pretty girl. She got a pretty scale. Oh, yes. She's a pretty blackbird. She's a pretty blackbird. Oh, look at you. And then there's that boy. up in his box. I can see you. Come on, come out. Chester. Right. Chester. Quick. I hear you knocking. I see your tail. Chester. I can see you. Thank you, Pickle. Hey, come out, quick. Oh, he's busy. He's busy, Buzzles. He's busy. He's busy, Bubbles. Oh, she's beautiful, aren't you? She's beautiful. She's my beautiful girl. There's that little Oscar, who has to stay in his cage when the others are out because they chase him. Don't they, darling? And he's lost his toes because Pickle chased him. Yeah, oh, poor toes. That's right. You hold them up for me, darling. Thank you. Hey, poor toes, look. But he's still beautiful. Yeah. Okay, let's take you out, eh? Come on, you go out and I'll keep an eye on you. That's it. And off he goes into the window. There we go. And then there's Pickle playing with the thing. And Stormy on Daddy's chair. All a very happy bunch. Hold tight up there, Oscar. You leave him alone. You stop it. Chester.